Vanessa, the reason why I haven't started that business is because I don't have capital to start the business. Vanessa, can you share a business idea that doesn't require me to have a lot of capital? Something that I can build from my laptop from home while my kids are taking a nap or in between my 2 jobs. I've heard you. Now, all of those things are valid excuses, but they're still excuses. And one thing we're gonna do is leave excuses behind in 2025, because in 2026, we are all getting to the bag, okay? I have 8 steps for you today within a business model that you can start with little to absolutely no capital, okay? But before we get into it, I have to give this quick little disclaimer. All of the information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, okay? I'm trying to keep you engaged while you learn, but I'm not giving you any guarantees. You're not gonna magically get rich quick just because you watch this content. Everything that I'm sharing is credible, honest, real, and legal, which means that we all have to put in effort to get the results we're looking for. It's not gonna happen magically, but I am gonna share the steps to make it relatively easy for you to get those results, okay? Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get into it. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Vanessa, and on this channel, we talk all things business ideas, how to start a business, how to prepare your business to get funding, because we need capital to turn these business ideas into reality. So all of that content, all of that information is delivered for free on this channel. So if you just found me or this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell right next to it so you don't miss any future upload. Today's video, girl, I am gassed. And I said girl on purpose because just in case you're not a girl, if you're not a woman and you're watching this video, you can exit the chat now. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds. Okay, now girl, let's talk about it. The business model that I have for you today is one that the boys already know about. That's why I told them to leave the group chat, because I want to talk to the girlies about it. And the business model is called drop shipping, okay? Drop shipping is not new. It's been around for a couple of years now. It became really popular around 2016, 2017, so almost a decade ago. And what drop shipping simply means is that you can actually find manufacturers. So if you decide you want to start a business, so whether it's a jewelry business, a perfume business, a fashion business making hair accessories, whatever it is, one, you don't have to create the accessories or the jewelry or the clothes by yourself. 2, you don't have to store inventory. And 3, you don't have to ship out the products to customers by yourself because of the business model called drop shipping. Now, one thing that has been bothering me a lot as my team and I have done research to bring this video to you is that a lot of men dominate drop shipping, even when the product being sold is for females. So I'm talking jewelry, I'm talking perfumes, I'm talking hair accessories, and still the people who run these businesses are men. So girl, I'm gonna share everything that you need to get started. And if capital has been the reason why you haven't gotten started, we're gonna fix that in today's video, okay? We're gonna fix all of that. So what exactly is dropshipping? Now, there are 8 steps in this video, but they all work together hand in hand. So if you miss point number 7, you're not going to find success in your dropshipping endeavors, okay? So you want to make sure that you follow along step by step by watching the video all the way to the very end. Now, like I said earlier, dropshipping is a business model that doesn't require you to have inventory, and it also doesn't require you to manufacture your own products by yourself or deliver it to the customer by yourself. Now, back in the day, the way drop shipping was done is that you had to go and find a foreign manufacturer. So from a country like China, you had to travel, you had to have a network, you had to have contacts to help you go there and source for products at a very affordable price, and then have the products delivered directly to your customer when a customer places an order. So this is how simplified drop shipping makes e-commerce. The first step is to find a manufacturer. The second step is to have a website. And the third step is to have the manufacturer deliver directly to your customer when they place an order through your website. But now it's gotten even simpler because you don't actually have to find a manufacturer by yourself anymore. We now have drop shipping platforms. So the process is a little different now. And that's what I'm going to walk you through. So now, instead of looking for a manufacturer, instead of traveling to a foreign country where you don't even speak the language, girl, the first thing you need to do is we're going to skip the first step and we're going to go to the second step, which is set up your website. And I know you're probably thinking, okay, I don't even know how to set up a website. Do I have to pay someone to set up my website? No. There are now specific website builders that support dropshipping platforms. And one that my team and I found is the buildyourstore.ai website builder. So it's literally buildyourstore.ai. I'm going to link it down in the comment section and in the description box so you can click on it and follow along as I walk you through all the steps, including how to connect with the dropshipping platform. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Click the link down in the description box and in the comment section and just follow along, okay? Now that you have access to a store building website, think of this website like a Wix or a Squarespace, but for e-commerce, and it is powered by AI, which means you don't have to put in a lot of effort. It automatically builds a storefront for you. So you don't actually have to pay anyone to set up a website for you. You can do it by yourself. And you also don't have to watch hours of content here on YouTube learning how to build a Shopify store. Like, no, we have technology, we have AI. All of that stuff is going to be done for you. So when you get onto the website, this is what you're going to see. Then you're going to sign up right here. After you sign up, then it would ask you what niche you want. Now, there are a couple of options to pick from. And if you're someone who already has a business idea in mind, you already know the name of the brand, you already know exactly what you want to sell, then this is going to be easy peasy. For example, if you want to start a fashion business, you can just click fashion and apparel, and it would literally set up a fashion store for you. But there are different options as well. So we have fashion, we have pets, we have electronics and gadgets, we have games, sports and fitness, and you can even click I'm not sure if you're not sure, because I know we're all coming into the small business space with different things in mind, right? Some of us already have a very clear picture of exactly what we want to build, and you might be coming in like, honestly, I don't care, I don't know, I just want to start a business, I just need to take care of my family. It's fine, okay? So you can click I'm not sure. After you do that, the next step is to click done. And this website builder will go ahead and build a standard website for the niche you have chosen. Now, of course, you can go in there and easily tweak it to your standard. Maybe you have colors that you like specifically, but you would already have a website set and ready to go. One that is specifically for the niche that you care about, the niche that you want to launch your business in. Now that we've done that, you're probably thinking, okay, but like I have this website, it's showing different items, but I don't actually have the items. That's the whole point. That is how dropshipping works, and I'm going to explain it in a second. The next step, which is step number 3, after tweaking your site to be what you want it to be, the next step is to choose a dropshipping platform. Now, not all dropshipping platforms are created equal. They're not. I would tell you that for free, they're not. You want to find the best in the market, one that has tons of reviews on the Shopify App Store, one that has been used and trusted for years by entrepreneurs and business owners. And of course, when I found one, I was like, oh, the girls have to know. So I asked my team to reach out to their team, specifically the CEO, to ask if we could share this platform in this video, and they said yes. And the platform is called AutoDS. Now I'm going to quickly log into AutoDS for you to see why this platform is the leading dropshipping platform on the market. Give me a second. Let's get into it. Now, first of all, you can access a wide variety of products. So whatever you're thinking, mugs, they've got it, shirts, they've got it, blankets, they've got it, notebooks, they've got, like, whatever you can think of, AutoDS has it. And if you find a product on a different website like Alibaba.com and you want to actually sell that product, but you didn't find it on the AutoDS website, you can literally go to Alibaba, copy the link of the product and paste it in this section of the AutoDS website, and they would import it into your store. And if you're someone who is not very great with marketing, so you want a product that's already trending and that already has very high demand, so you don't have to beg people to buy a product, then what you want to do is use their tool called TikTok Ad Spy. Now, one of the ways that successful e-commerce founders find success through e-commerce is by going onto TikTok to see what is trending and by selling things that are already trending. But the thing is, I know you don't have time for that. And I'm not about to tell you to go get distracted by spending hours scrolling on TikTok. No, you don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. We're not doing that, okay? But what we are gonna do is use a tool that can actually go into TikTok and do the spying for you. And AutoDS has that tool. It's called the TikTok Ad Spy. And literally, it's what it sounds like. It will go in there and look for the ads that are currently trending that have millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, so that you can see what products are in those videos and you can focus your energy on selling those products specifically, okay? Don't say I never did anything for you, because I'm really putting you on game. And when you're done doing all of the sourcing, AutoDS also ships the products directly to your customers. Yep. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to order in bulk to yourself. When a customer places the order, AutoDS ships it out to the customer. The next step is to connect AutoDS to the website that we built through the Build Your Store AI. So now you have your store up and running, and you also have a platform behind the scenes that will fulfill orders when people place orders through your website. We love it. I hope you're finding this video helpful so far, and if you are, don't forget to hit the like button and let's keep going. You didn't hit the like button? I'm gonna wait. Thanks, girl. Step 6 is to take the images from the AutoDS website and place them on your own website so you don't confuse customers. So whatever it is you've decided to sell, make sure you have the accurate images on your website so that when people click and place orders, what they get is what they're clicking on, okay? You don't want to confuse your customers, because in business, reputation is everything. So you want to make sure that what you have on your website is aligned with what you are ordering from AutoDS to your customer, okay? Now, the way you make a profit with dropshipping is by pricing your product above what a platform like AutoDS will price their products. Just basic commerce, right? If you buy something for $10, you can sell it for $30. If you buy something for $5, you can sell it for $15. And then you make a profit off of the difference. That brings us to step number 7. Step number 7 is pricing. We want to be very strategic about how we price our products, because that would determine, 1, if we hit our profit goals, and 2, if customers will be willing to pay for whatever it is we're selling at that price point. And a good way to know how to price your product is by going onto popular platforms like Amazon. Go onto Amazon and look for that product that you want to sell and see how much it is being sold for already. If you sell way higher than what people can get it for on Amazon, they're probably not going to buy from you. But if you sell it at a right price, or maybe slightly lower, but you can still make a profit, especially when you're just starting out, then you're more likely to have customers buy from you. So pricing is very important. Step 8 is to optimize your store to be found, right? It's one thing to set up a store. It's another thing for people to find your store. And the main way that you can optimize your store to be found is through something called SEO, search engine optimization. So when people Google the product that you're selling, SEO would allow your product to rise to the top of the Google page, and that way you can get more orders. Traditionally, this is how SEO worked. You think about what people might type in Google when they search for your product, and then you put that in the description box of the items on your website. But now we have ChatGPT. You can literally go to ChatGPT and ask it to come up with SEO phrases and SEO lines and even an SEO optimized paragraph for you to describe a product in a way that would have people finding your product when they search for it on Google. The 9th step is to launch by making your website go live. And the 10th step step is to market your product, preferably through social media. If you want me to make a whole video sharing with you how to market your products online through Instagram or even here on YouTube or on TikTok, let me know down in the comment section. Just type market in the comment section. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with your tribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, please take care.